Hey guys, welcome to my place. This is where I live, work, and create, and I wanted to show you guys around a bit, so let's go.
Where are we right now?
So we are currently in my home office. You know, I live in a one-bedroom in Toronto, so home office is kind of just like this little square area here, but this is where I do all of my stuff for videos and for my stationery shop.
What is it about this workspace that helps spark your creativity?
I think the way that I've laid out my workspace is very inspiring because I have a lot of things right at my arm's length. So I have all my art supplies all over the place. This wallpaper I've actually designed myself, so it's nice to be surrounded by things that you love and that kind of inspire you.
What piece of tech is essential in your workday?
I think a personal essential for me, I've really been into mechanical keyboards. I am like a keyboard fanatic and I love the satisfying typing noises, so it just brings peace of mind to me when I like listen to myself type. Maybe not a need, but definitely a want.
How does your living space reflect your work, and how does it inspire you?
In this space, I definitely love my gallery wall. There's a bunch of really awesome prints, one that was done by one of my friends. I also have my YouTube plaques, so I just love being surrounded by art and music. I also have my record player here too, so it's really inspiring for me. Thanks for stopping by my place, and I hope you enjoyed seeing where I work. Bye!